So hello from the Design Automation Conference 14 in San Francisco. Today I have the pleasure to interview our very, very good partner, Synopsys. And I speak to John Koeter, which is VP of Solutions Group. And of course, he will speak about this well-known initiative now from Synopsys called IP Accelerated Initiative. So please, John, tell us what's about.
Oh, thank you so much, Gabrielle, for the opportunity to talk to us here. So just on Monday, Synopsys announced a new initiative that we call IP Accelerated, and it's really addressing some core issues that our customers are facing. It's not just about high-quality IP in a broad portfolio. We think that's a given in the IP industry right now. Customers are increasingly asking us to help them with their software challenges, with their prototyping challenges, and with their integration challenges. Just actually yesterday I was on a panel with a number of customers, and they were saying with the cost of the design these days, you simply have to get it right. So, the software, getting the software done early and also prototyping the design and successfully integrating it is really key to our customers' success. And so what is IP Accelerated? Well, IP Accelerated augments Synopsys' broad IP portfolio. As you know, we're the number 2 IP provider in the world. And so in addition to that broad portfolio of IP, what we're now offering is what we call designware development kits. These come in 2 different flavors. The first is a prototyping kit, and this is for exploration of the design IP, different configurations, and the impact of that onto the overall performance of the system. The IP prototyping kit can also be used as a platform for software development, so it's an FPGA-based platform. It contains a reference design, it contains a Linux is ported to it. It contains the sample drivers, contains all the hardware that you need, a processor subsystem that runs the Linux, a 4 million gate HAPS DX-based prototyping kit. And then since the configuration that we ship with the reference design is almost certainly not going to be the exact configuration the customer wants, also in the box is what we call a fast iteration flow. The fast iteration flows allows you to very, very quickly modify the configuration of the IP and then resynthesize it back into the FPGA target. So the FPGA synthesis license is covered in the box as well. Now, we have an interesting demo that you can look at on our website, but it's interesting. If you have this kit and it's completely unpacked on a table in front of you, you know how long it takes to assemble the parts, push the button, and booting in Linux? Literally just 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay.
1 minute. I mean, if you're doing this all yourself, creating the reference design yourself and debugging it, I mean, that's typically a 4 to 8 week effort. So we've taken 4 to 8 weeks and we've boiled it down to 1 minute. And everything, like I said, is all pre-kitted. It's available for all of our interface IP titles. And we really think that this new initiative is really going to be, change what our customers expect from an IP supplier. So I talked about the prototyping kits. Also, as part of the designware development kit is what we call a software development kit. And that's available in one of 2 different flavors. It's in a virtual target featuring an ARM A57-based 64-bit processor, virtualized processor subsystem, or the IP prototyping kit, which can be used as a physical target. In either case, we're not asking the software people to do anything other than what they traditionally do. So it plugs directly into their software flow, into their favorite debugger. It's just a known, good, proven target, either virtual or physical, for them to use. And the last part of the IP Accelerated initiative, Gabrielle, is what we call customized subsystems. So let me give you a few examples of what that might be. So you might say to yourself, well, interfacing a controller and a PHY through an industry standard spec like pipe, I mean, how difficult is that? And the answer is that's not particularly difficult. What's difficult is making the IP work in this specific and unique SoC context of our customers. So that's their unique clocking schemes, their unique reset logic, memory maps, interrupts, DMA, all that stuff. So our customers are coming to us and saying, let's combine your IP experts with our SoC experts, and we'll get to market faster with a IP subsystem that's customized for our unique needs. So those are the three major elements of IP accelerated, and we really think that over time that this will have a significant impact in the IP industry. So thank you very much.
This looks absolutely great. I think I will go back to design. It looks so simple. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.